In this video, we're diving into the real reason why you might still feel stuck, even after years of doing inner work, journaling, meditating, or trying all the self-help tools you can find. And if you're a spiritually aware woman over 40 who's feeling like something's still unresolved, this video is going to speak to your soul. We'll look at why healing sometimes plateaus, how your brain and energy system might be keeping you in old patterns, and what's really possible when you begin to shift from survival to flow. Many of my clients come to me saying, "Peter, I've done so much work, but I still feel like something's off. I'm not fully free." And the truth is, they're not broken. They're just stuck in an invisible cycle that's rooted in the nervous system, old identity patterns, and the body itself. Let's start with your root brain mode, the survival brain. This mode is designed to protect you, and if you grew up with trauma or have been in prolonged stress, it stays turned on. The amygdala is hyper alert, the hypothalamus keeps releasing cortisol, your dorsal vagal system might be shutting you down, and all of this creates emotional weight, anxiety and resistance. You may feel numb, energyless, or like there is a heavy weight on your shoulders. Then we look at the lower danjon, the lower energy center of the body, also known as the second chakra. This energy center stores safety, grounding and primal memory. If your root brain is overactive, your lower danjon is often frozen. But what does this feel like? Like you can't move forward, even though you want to. Like you're scared to really open up or trust your own light. And when you try to express yourself, people often tell you that you think too much, you are oversensitive, or you're looking into situations too deeply. How many times have I heard that? Here's the good news, it's not permanent. When we start gently engaging the body through breath, movement and safe emotional expression, the root brain calms. Your lower danjon begins to melt these old negative cycles away, to move you into a more powerful place and to awaken to your internal power so that you can create and manifest your future. And this begins to change how you see yourself, because your self-image isn't just in your mind, it's in your body. We are a complex energy system that is truly amazing, but it's not overwhelming when you start to experience this for yourself. In fact, it is empowering. Our ancestors used to write on temple walls, "Know thyself," and this means knowing your energy body and how your brain actually works. Click the link below if you're interested in transforming your self-image in 12 weeks. So many of my clients have already been through this 5-step process of the Dream Method successfully. And in our next video, we'll explore how to ignite the fire within you, the second brain mode, and break the emotional patterns that are keeping you dimmed down. I look forward to connecting with you again soon. Until then, be well and keep shining.